I'm Cameo Jenkins. I am here this morning with Brent Weichel. He is the Pool and Irrigation Manager for ABC Home and Commercial Services, and we are talking pools. So, Brent, how can I keep my pool in the best shape possible?
Every week, you have to clean it. You have to, vacuum the pool, get the leaves out, get the dirt out of it. You got to brush the walls. You need to empty your pump baskets, your skimmer baskets. But the most important thing is putting the right chemicals in there and keeping the pool well balanced.
We all want blue, nice pools for summer. So what are the warning signs that maybe you should call in a professional?
Well, really it starts with overall color. Is that pool green? If it's got a tint, you've got some issues going on. If you have cloudy water, that means there's something else going on. If you have any type of growth on the walls of the pool, the algae formation, that's when you definitely know when you have a problem.
Okay, so what is the biggest issue that you typically get when people call in and say, come help?
Well, usually everybody focuses on what they call the pH, alkalinity, and chlorine. But the one level that they always forget about is what they call the cyanuric acid level. Cyanuric acid, it sounds like something really bad, but it actually keeps the chlorine in the pool. Without it, the chlorine would literally just burn off by the sun's UV rays. But unfortunately what happens down the road is that cyanuric acid level just builds up by itself. The only way to correct it is actually to take out about 3/4 of the water or all of the water and just put new fresh water in and then restart the chemical balance.
This is a chlorine pool. If I had a saltwater pool, would y'all be able to take care of that? What's the difference?
Well, it's really the same. You still have to watch your pH, your alkalinity. The only thing is that the saltwater pool is going to do for you is the saltwater pool is going to make its own chlorine. Instead of the chlorine pool, you're actually putting in chlorine tabs.
So if I've been doing all this and I kind of want to take the summer off, enjoy my pool, how can you help? What do you do?
ABC is a full service company. We handle all the cleaning. We're going to test the chemicals for you. We're going to adjust the chemicals. We're also a full repair company. So in the event that something breaks down, we can either fix it or replace your equipment for you.
Perfect. Well, if y'all have any questions about pool or want to get a free estimate or, like I said, take the summer off and just enjoy your nice pool, give ABC Home and Commercial Services a call. They help with everything and would love to help you out.